is our haul for
the day.
And let's start with Lena.
Okay, so somebody bought me this bag, and I wasn't able to find a wallet to
Sugar Daddy.
So I bought this, and we're gonna test if it actually fits in, because I couldn't find anything.
Oh my god.
It actually fits in, but dude, I can't put anything else inside.
Yeah. How about your?
You don't need any other essentials.
Yeah, it fits. So yeah.
So tell them the story about how the Bay ripped you off.
Oh my god, yeah. So I went to the Bay and I bought it at the Bay first, and it was regular price $45. So with tax it was about 51, and then we went to Guess just to check for other wallets, and they had my exact same one that I bought, and it was 40% off. So I actually got it for $31, and I had to return the first one I bought. But I saved $20, man. That was like awesome.
Yeah.
And it has so many compartments and a tiny coin area, because you know girls have so much coin.
She found her perfect wallet.
It is fucking amazing. I like the
Classic color. You were debating the pink white one.
Yeah, I love white things. It's just amazing. It looks really clean.
Okay.
Why did she buy
Wait, you didn't do all this shit, man.
Yeah.
Okay, just do it quick.
Say, come here.
Alright, so I bought this shirt from Garage. There you go, it's like see-through. And then I bought 2 tank tops. I bought a black one.
You got one free.
Yeah, and I got one for free because it was buy one get one free.
And you
buy
got another
that.
thing for free.
And I bought shorts from American Eagle. They got little lace at the bottom. And I bought another see-through thing at American Eagle. I love showing off my curves. Anyways, it's this pink thing, and it's got little ruffles at the back.
It's really cute.
Yeah. And I got another see-through shirt from Garage. And this one is turquoise. Yes. And it's giving love and awesome, epic, amazing.
Yeah.
Pink electronic.
Oh yeah.
Pink electronic is gonna be amazing.
Okay, you go.
Okay, well, I got shoes that were outside, but they were just pink. The night highlight of the day, and I got some cute yellow redhead, and they're so cute.
What is she saying? No, she's trying to put on some sort of twisted
So
accent.
basically, it's like, I don't know, it's like really comfortable, right?
She bought 2 pairs of shoes today, and she threw out the last
Nasty
pair,
asshole.
and they were disgusting. It was like black bottom soles,
Like,
and it was like molding, and it was like
You guys know what? You
black.
know the
Yeah.
whole pair of shoes.
Like she just had to throw that one.
It was hella nasty.
And go have to throw her bra.
No, you get attached to lingerie.
You don't get attached, you get over it and you buy better, cuter, shit.
Say whatever you want, you little bitch.
Yeah.
Anyways, did you buy anything else?
Nope.
Oh, she bought those other flip-flops.
Yeah.
They were cute. They were like purple neon.
Yeah.
And they had a braided top. Underneath. Anyways, as you can see by this humongous bag, I got a shitload of shit from Garage. And even the quality is shit too. I mean, it's beautiful.
Well, it's only for one season, so it's okay.
Yeah, I got this one for $15. Pretty cheap. A turquoise summer long sleeve.
Hey, that's kind of like my color.
Yeah, it is your kind of girl.
Oh, is it?
But it's long.
Dude, I feel like
because I'm
someone's
more
banging on the other
conservative.
side.
No, it's only in the morning.
Okay, anyways.
We're not talking about titch anymore.
Jesus Christ.
We're giving up on
And this is the other one.
I like
She's
that
famous
color.
for because it's a more cobalt color.
Yeah.
I got something ass. Not that I'm an obsession with it. And I also got a tank top. This one, $5, y'all. Gotta stop talking about fancy fashion. And this one was a free beauty.
Yeah, man. It was such a big ass splurge. We were like,
I know, it was $25, y'all. Anyways, that's the haul, right? Don't get my life. Love it. Anyways, that was awesome.
okay, so yeah, now we're gonna just get ready for our foundation routine.
난 밤 아름다운 구석 나 헤어나올 수 없어 Just to